Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to draw 2D sketch with geometric dimensional constraints. So this is the sketch. So you can see here that length is 85 mm. So there is a 12 mm this length and 5 mm slot is there. So 38 mm. This is also 12 mm. And inside this there is a rectangle of height 50 mm and length is 68 mm. And inside that there is a slot is there. Okay, and this diameter is 16 mm. So and at the left side of this diagram there is circle is there of diameter 12 mm. This is 45 mm diameter. So let's draw this diagram. So create document. So I will say sketch 3. So I will say create. Select the sketch plane, make it view normal to sketch plane. Now here first I will draw one horizontal line, and again I will draw one vertical line, construction line. Okay, so this, I think two lines are there, so we have to delete it. Now next is, so here what I will do, here I will draw line from this edge like this, there is slot is there 5 mm. So this is the slot, so this is like this. Okay, so I will give the dimension to this. First we will trim it. So this is not required, this is not required. So dimension, so this is what was, it was 85. So this is 85. The dimension is 12. This is also 12, and this slot is of length 38, and this is also 85. Okay, and this distance from this is nothing but the 38 divided by 2 plus 12. That is nothing but the, so you can see here 38 divided by 2 plus 12. So it is 31. It is 31 mm. So next is a, inside this there is a one, a rectangle type is there. I will select the line from this. Now trim the unwanted portion. So trim it. This is not required. This is not required. Give the dimension to it. Now you can see here. I will give the dimension. So this distance is the 52 mm distance, and from this the dimension is 25 mm. Now this distance, that is also given, so you can check it. What is distance? That is 68 mm distance is there. So this distance is 68. Now this diagram is showing over constraints, so we will delete some constraints. So I will delete some of the constraints. Now first we will complete the sketch. Now next is the, there is semicircle, the slot is there. This is, here is also one circle is there. Give the dimension to it. So its dimension is 60. This is also 60. Then distance between these two circles, that we have to check. So distance between this is 18 mm, and this is 25 mm. So from this to this the distance is 25, and from this circle to this the distance is the 18, and the line from this point to this, like this. So we will make it tangent line from this point to this. Okay, so this is the tangent. So let's make the tangent to these circles. So this is tangent to this circle, and this is tangent to this circle. Okay, now we are going to trim it, unwanted portion. So trim, this is not trim, this is not required, this is not required. Now this is also not required, this is also not required. Now next is we have to show the constraints, so we have to delete some of the constraints. So I will delete some of the constraints. Delete. Okay, so you can see here, so definitely these are intersecting, so delete some of the constraints. So the dimension is not required, because it is not required. We are going to trim it. So I will say, so trim this is not required. Delete it. So delete this point, trim it. Now it is showing the tangent, this is also not required, so delete it. Again, this is, if this is the perpendicular, then why we are doing this to this. Okay, so now again this slot is remaining, I think. So we have to give the dimension to this. So this is 5 mm slot is there. Okay, this slot is of 5 mm. Now it is completed. Now you can see here on this side, so there is a 25 mm, and this is circle of 44 diameter. So line, so I will from this outer, this again I will go like this. Okay, so give the dimensions. So this dimension is 25, and I will give this as a 22. So let's see what I will do. So I don't know the center point, so I find out the center point. So this is the center point, and it will touch to this. Okay, again I will draw another circle of diameter. So this is the diameter 22 circle, and outside circle is of diameter 44. Okay, so I will delete this line because it is showing over constraint, because I have already given distance 22. Now I will draw horizontal line. So because there is a fillet to this side also, again I will draw from this point line like this, and line like this. Now I will make this line tangent. So tangent this line to this circle. Now trim the unwanted lines. So trim. So this is not required, this is not required, this is also not required, this is also not required, this is also not required. Now next apply the fillet. So here, so next apply the fillet. So here I will apply the fillet. Select this and this. There is a fillet of 18 mm radius. Okay, you can see this is the 18 mm radius, and from this to this, okay, there is the fillet of the 5 mm radius. Okay, so in this we have completed whole sketch. Thank you. You can give the dimension constraint here to this, so that it will look good.